Hello, welcome to WINFX Trading YouTube channel. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, please do your best to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you like and comment and share this content on this channel to your network so that YouTube will push us to a very high network of individuals. Okay, if you have done these things, I think you are good and you are qualified to be getting updates, to be getting the right content for you to succeed as a Forex synthetic trader. So today we shall be discussing about how $5 to $1 million plus trading synthetic V75 boomcrash V100 Hidden Strategy Derivbrokers want you to know. Okay, you can apply this strategy to the rest of all the assets, even including the Forex asset. It just exactly the same thing, but at least you need to know a little bit thing about a particular asset, because for instance, boom and crash markets behave differently from a kind of how V100 or Euro USD in the Forex market. But that is, by the way, it's not all that serious matter. All markets have this one particular behavior. Either it is buying or it is selling. So that is general thing about the market. So let me go on to this without wasting much of time. This strategy has core elements. Okay, the first one is lead the market. Lead the market. Are you seeing it? Lead the market. Trade only when the market has made up her mind, you see, to go in a given direction with momentum. You see, you need patience here, so control your emotion or anxiety. Patience. Another core element of the strategy is patience. You need patience for opportunity to come. It might take a couple of days, weeks, or months for you to see an opportunity, and once it comes, you are good to go. Trend and market pattern following. Okay, know the market structures and pattern and find out the market trend or slope or gradient and follow it. When I say market pattern, there are some patterns that will lead to reversal of the market or continuation of the market. So you have to take note of those things. Remember, this is a free content and not opening your eyes to all the quality things you need to know. This is a free content. It's limited to some things. There are things I cannot say here. You have to enroll for my courses. I have a lot of courses I offer in the financial market. It depends on the one you want. Just one course, you're a millionaire, you're a multi-millionaire. Just one course. Check down the description of this video. Start enrolling today. Okay. You can actually enroll for my boom and crash millionaire course or the synthetic MT5 trading course. There are other courses. Okay. You can also learn crypto trading. Okay, that is by the way. So let me continue. You have to use H1, H4, D1, W1 or MN. That is 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, daily time frame, weekly time frame, or monthly time frame to find the direction of the market. What it means, you need to do a top-down multi-time analysis. Okay, so you have to do this now to find the direction of the market. Then go to H1, M1 and M30 to make entry. But let me tell you the truth, the best entry can be finally validated in M1. Yes, whether in a Forex market or in a volatile market like synthetic market, you have to finally validate your entry in M1. I tell you the truth, such entry has no loss experience. Even your stop loss it can never be triggered all the time. It can never. You always end up reaching targets. You made a target, you make a target, you reach a target. That is the power of this strategy. Zero loss entry. Make sure you entered at the price that gives profit. Please help me. You have to correct my English there. I have to tell you the truth here. This is gifts, okay? that gives profit with little zero loss experience. Trail stop, that what you call trail stop. Move your stop loss or SL as the market makes profit for you. Yes, in other words, it seems that you should not place a take profit, though it depends on the strength of the signal. In a very strong signal that will last for long, that has a long term character, you can actually uh, decide not to put a take profit, so that you will not be cut off in the market and you still see the market going in your favor. So that is the thing you need to know here. But if the signal is very weak, then you can place a take profit, so that you cannot just end up losing. Okay, so you place a take profit in a weak signal. In a strong signal, you don't place a take profit. What you do is you trail your stop loss as the market move in your direction. You just trail your stop loss to some profitable level, so that even if the market reverse, you will end up in profit. Okay. I will take you to charts to show you the rare application of this thing and where it happens in the market. I will use volatility 100 and volatility 75 as a case study. So let's go there, baby. Okay, this is volatility 75 index. I don't know why people are still losing in this type of market. This is a market that can make you rich, but people are losing. And that's why I'm always looking at a way to help you people. See, go to the month. Go to the month. When you go to the month, what do you discover here? It depends. Now, currently, look at the month, the candle. There are many ways you can approach this. Either you look at swing point in the month. This is a swing point. You know that each time market came back to here in the month, it have to swing. So this is a buy signal. But you cannot validate yet until you go to lower time frame to get good entry. Now, this is the current candle now is bullish in the month. What I mean by bullish is green, meaning buyers dominate or controls this market. Buyers control this market. Now, what you need to do, you check the wick. The current candle is also bullish. Also, you can see some buy opportunity here. Here, you can buy here. You can buy here. You can buy here. You can buy. But currently here, you will not stop trading because it has moved against you. No, here you can still make decision. Yes, because you trade at least in a week. You trade at least in a month. You have to trade. Yes, unless you are a long-term trader. Maybe as a long-term trader, you can just buy here and leave it for long. You can buy here and leave it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to a year. If you can't, remember this is weekly. Okay, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 weeks, close to half of a year, So, you see, currently now, the volatility 75 index, we might break this current resistance level here. And after breaking it, maybe in the higher time frame, like in the week or in the dailies, after breaking it, it will have to retest this breakout. After retesting this breakout, then it left for us as a expert signal provider, as expert traders, to know if it will continue in the uptrend direction or it will reverse into the bear market period, like whether the bears will take over. In this at this type of price level, there is high probability that the bears will enter, but it is not a certainty. No, you can't say that. A resistance, like you see what they break here. Please, in this video, I'm doing general analysis. It is not all that premium. It is free, meaning that there are things I may not say. If you need a quality driven educated content, you have to enroll for my courses. You have to enroll for my synthetic courses. Check down the description of this video, you see them. Are you getting it? So you see, this market break this resistance in the weekly time frame. You see, it was broken. Yes. So if you think that a resistance will always be respected, not like it's not like the probability of a resistance or even support to be respected in a market. It all depends on the politics. It all depends on the sentiment in the lower time frames, behaviors in the lower time frame. Are you getting it? So this was broken several times. So we still expect the price to hit here about 1,150,290.70 dollars. It will reach. It might. Yes, because the uptrend is still on. If you go to lower time frame, you see that this market is in a very strong uptrend mode. Now, when it reaches here, you don't just conclude and say you are going to sell. You need to move, lead the market. Remember what I said? I said you have to lead the market. Leading market means you need to patiently wait for the market to take a definite direction, for the market to run into a trend, start trending. Then you wait for some retracement to enter the market in the direction of the trend. Never you trade against it. It is very painful to trade against the direction of the market. I'm telling you the truth. You might enjoy it for the short term. In the long run, all your money will waste. Or you blow your account, you deposit money, you blow your account, deposit. Oh my God, that is very painful, baby. It's very painful. Oh my God. So you have understood what this market is doing in the week. Let's go to daily time frame. You see, this is how you should analyze markets. This is how you should analyze market. You see, in the daily, that is a strong momentum. All the candles are just bullish. Oh my God. All the daily candles are bullish, are green. That shows that buyers don't even give sellers chance in this market. You know, that's the market is actually buying, and what you should look for is a buy signal and not what sell signal. Wait, before when I say sell signal, I did not mean when I say buy signal, I did not mean because it has been buying. I'm considering you have to consider each candle, the current candle and then the previous candle. Now when you consider previous candles, the buyers are in control. Then what if today this current candle is bearish? Will you be able to buy? You will not buy. You will not just buy because I said you should buy. No, the current candle in the day is also affect your decision, please. In that case, when you notice that there is a short-term overtake in the market, that is the bears, like the opponent is there is a kind of opponent fighting against your own belief in the market. We believe this market is bullish. Yes, we believe that buyers control this market. What if today this candle is red, meaning that there is a short-term sellers domination in the market, a short-term sellers control in the market? You shouldn't trade such. That is where patience comes in. That is where patience comes in. As a trader, you should not trade such. You should not trade such because you know that if you count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all these things are all bullish, showing that buyers are totally strong in the past couple of days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, couple of 5 days or 6 days. So today this one become bearish. You will now say you will look for sell signal. No. Remember that it takes 24 hours for a day to end. You don't know how the next day will be. You might sell this market, and most of you don't put stop loss, then you sell. Next day, the next candle will be a very long bullish candle. Trigger your stop loss, you will end up with loss. If you don't place stop loss, you will lose. You will see a big loss depending on your loss sizes. So don't allow short-term candles behavior to distract you from the long-term behavior of the market. Always trade the long-term directional behavior of the market. Follow the long term. Know where the market is going in the long run and trade those ones. Okay. So now I'm going to take you to H4. This is how you are. That is what I'm trying to let you. I want you to start following this rule. Lead the market. We are trying to lead the market by doing what? Doing top-down analysis to know where the market is going. Actually, the higher time frame, I told you H1, H4, D1, W1, and MON will give us the direction of the market. So you see, V75 is actually in the uptrend. But there might be a saturation. That what you call saturation. The market might be saturation. Maybe like the bulls or the buyers might be losing strength and sellers will enter. Yes, just like what happened here. Let me show you in H4. Yes, you need to understand everything a market is doing, so I not make mistakes. You see, this from here to here is the bull period. I getting it? Let me show you. This is a bull period. Let me show you again. This is a bull period. But when the market reach here, it start ranging. After it range, in this case, some people will be selling. That is not right. I'm telling you, it's not right. It's not easy to control yourself. You will make money, you'll be rich if you can control yourself. If you can say, I will do, there are things I should not do. Discipline. You need discipline. You see, if you are selling in this ranging market, you are making a big mistake, please. Let me tell you why. You see, you don't know where the market will break out unless you are using a well-controlled stop loss. Then you can, like, if you can enter at early swings and control and use good stop loss, use good risk to reward ratio, then you see you will even if you lose, it will be small. That means this is the first swing. Then you can enter the second swing here. You can sell at the third swing. But you see what happened here? There was a breakout. Imagine you sold here. It will not sell. It break out. You lose. Or if you place stop loss somewhere here, it will be triggered. But if you're a wise trader, if you position for buy, because you know that this market has been buying, if you position for buy here, then you see you make a huge money. Okay, you will make a huge money. If you position for buy here, if you always position for buy, you make a huge money. But one thing is, you need to understand market structure. You see, you see this structure. Let me draw it carefully let me draw it with a channel. You see this structure that is forming here. You see that structure. Okay, let me delete this and mark it again with something good. But that is a flag. That is a flag. Okay, I will show you what I mean. Okay, you see, I'll show you so that you understand it. You see, this is what a flag. The area bounded by this arrows. This is a flag. Okay, this is it because the market is in uptrend. Reach some level, start forming M structures ranging between two boundaries. These two boundaries are drawn with these arrows. You get this one lower boundary, the upper boundary. Now, it depends. The breakout can be in the downtrend or in the uptrend. Okay, but the probability of the breakout going to the uptrend is bigger than the probability of the breakout going to the downtrend. Yes, because the market has a long-term uptrend behavior. I think. So what you do is you must expect this breakout to happen, and it did happen. So place your stop loss below here. You need to buy. You need to look for buy signal. I've told you, please. I told you the strategy. I told you. What did I tell you? What was that? I told you something. Trend and market pattern following. You should follow the trend. Cast that devil, cast that spirit, cast that all those stuff that make you to disobey or trigger you to trade against market. You see a bull market that you know that this is a bull period, you will just be selling. Oh my God, breakout will destroy your money. Breakout will blow your account. Breakout in the direction of the trend will blow your account. Trigger your stop losses. Try to obey. You see what I'm saying? So that is it. Okay, so I was talking about that you should, in a trending market, you should, like in a trending market, you should be sensitive to know when the trend is changing. Yes, let me show you what I mean. Let me show you what I mean here. Let me show you what I mean here. You notice that the market reach here, then after it retraces here, you can buy, but you will not buy here because you didn't believe the market. You don't know when it will actually end the retracement. You need something to happen somewhere for you to believe that it will happen there again. When the price get there, that is swing. This swing, you might not be able to believe that there will be a swing here, but when price get back there, you will enter because you will buy, because this is a trending market. When the market is trending, let's say this time, it's uptrend. When the market is trending uptrend, this is uptrend here, and reaches a level and starts retracing, it will not retrace and change into trend immediately. No, it will have to form M structure. It will go up like this. It will, as it has reached this maximum point, it will come down, go up, come down, go up. If you can catch the second swing and the third swing, let me tell you the truth, the higher swing, other swing levels, other number of swings will lead to breakout. You see what happened? I'm not lying. Let me show you. See what happened? That was a breakout. That was a breakout. You see. That's a breakout. So imagine you buy here, you will lose. You will not say, WINFXTRADING instead we should buy in uptrending markets. But you didn't remember that I told you that you should also look at the number of swing. That the higher the number of swing at a particular zone, the higher the greater the probability of breakout happening. Are you getting it? And you see, it break there. So in this case, you will look for sell signal, because when a breakout happen, I have a video that talks about how to trade breakout. I was actually saying something in that video that is a free content that talk about only how to sell, how to take a sell position in a downtrending market that has experienced a breakout from a particular market structure or pattern. That's what I didn't talk about how to do it how to get a buy signal, during an uptrend. I only talk about how to get a sell signal during a downtrend that has experienced a breakout. Are you getting it? So, but this one, okay, thank God, this one is also matching what I said. This is a downtrend. You see, the market has changed trend now. Now it break this level and retest it. On retest, you need to go to lower time frame to delay this market. How do you delay it? You lead it. You lead it to see where it is going. We keep waiting. It's better you waited and follow a market when it is actually ready to go in a particular direction than to enter when it is not going, than to trade a direction that the market will follow maybe after some days or after some hours. You are just blowing your account. You see. So here you wait for a test, you leave this market lower time frame. What happened? That you have to sell. You don't need to buy here. The uptrend has changed. It is downtrend. These are the things you need to learn. It's not easy. Join my VIP signal group. I'm sorry, channel. It's not costly to join. It's just $100. I don't brag. My signal never lose. We make thousands of pips. Like currently now, I'm planning to generate signals in my VIP channel on V75 index. We are expecting over 170,000 pips from the bear market that is going to start on the Volatility 75 index, because I know that Volatility 70, as it has hit close to $1.15 million. If it didn't break out, if it didn't hit, continue going to, let's say, hit something like $1.50 million, it will reverse, and that reversal will be a bear market. I get the market cannot a market like Volatility 75 or synthetic market, they cannot go in one direction in the month. Yes, the month has been in a bull mood. Like the volatility 75 has been experiencing bull market. So the bear can start, but only expert we know, expert like me. Join my VIP to enjoy those signal. We are going to reap volatility 75 over 170,000 pips to be synthesized. Start changing your life. Start changing your life, bitch. So you see. So let's go to H1. You see, please, this my analysis is free. There are things I cannot tell you here. Enroll for my courses for you to learn the full time. You see. So in H1, you see how the market is behaving. How do you draw a trend line? You see, let me show you what I mean by trend and patterns. You draw your trend line here. This time around, you are now going to start drawing patterns to understand the market at lower time frame. After you have seen where the market is going in the higher time frame, at lower time frame, you will start drawing using object, drawing things to know where the market is going. You see, like to get entries, yes, to get entries. You see, I use this point. I use this point, yeah, this point, this one. I draw my trend. You see, the market is making higher high. I use this point, I use this point. Now, what I need to do is see this market ratio, it's ratio. Now, if you are not a trend or educated trader, you want to buy here. Why should you buy here? Yes, we know the market is buying. The bull has taken over the market, and you want to buy here. How can you buy here? Do you have any demand and supply shift to buy? Is there, when you are buying, we are looking for demand actually. Do you have any demand imbalance here to buy? No. Nobody have ever bought here. That's the problem. Let me show you why. You see this level. Did you see any buy entry? No. Highest, it is a continuous market that just passed through those level. Market that has already been in motion. It just passed through there. There's no buy. That's why you should wait for a retracement to a place where there is demand for you to buy. I'm talking about demand. I'm not talking about supply because this market is buying. Yes, I'll be hammering it. So you can wait here, and buying here is very good than buying here. You see, you can also buy here. You see, that's what I mean by lead the market. Patiently wait and lead. You see, most of you will just do anyhow. Imagine you buy here, the market will retrace. It will retrace for how many hours? It might retrace for a couple of days. See, this market might retrace for a couple of days or up to 12 hours before you even see profit, depending on your equity. See, you are going to be losing by 43,000 P plus. Oh my God. Why should you be doing all these things? You see, because you don't have patience. Patience, it might take you days, months, weeks for you to get a signal that is rare. Try to lead the market. Any day you start leading the market, you will be rich. Any day you start trading the trend, you see, you need to have focus. In a particular market session, during a particular, when you are trying to trade or you want to get a signal, look for one thing. Don't look for two. Look for either sell or buy. In a bull market, in an uptrend market, look for buy only. No matter how you are tempted to sell, don't sell, bitch. Then in a bearish market or in a bear market or in a downtrend market, look for sell signal. No matter how you are motivated to buy, never you buy. Kill that motivation to buy. I'm telling you. You don't make money by trading all the time. Just one trade, you are rich. If you have enough equity, you can ride the market for long. That's what makes you rich. You see, you can buy here. Most of you will buy here and place your take profit here. Why? Why should you place take profit? Once you know that a market has a strong potential trend, you don't need to place take profit. I'm telling you, just buy here, place your stop loss somewhere. Once the market start moving in your favor, you move that stop loss you place here, you move it up. You can place it here, so that if the market drastically reverse against you, then it will stop you with big profit and not the loss. Okay. Why I say you should not place take profit once you believe that the trend is going to go long term is because if you, assuming you buy here and you place your take profit here, you'll be cut off. Now see where the market is. See, you will miss this peak. I'm telling you the truth. You will miss over 127,000 pips. Are you mad? Are you kidding me? Are you? Oh my God. I don't want to say something bad. I want you people to start making money. This is a motivation content, please. I didn't say mad. You are my fellow trader. No, I didn't mean to insult anybody. I mean, I'm not happy to see you people losing. Join my VIP. Join my VIP and change your life overnight. I have this agility. I have the spirit. I have the power of over market. Oh my, it's my talent. It's my destiny. And I want to use it to serve the people. Start changing your life. I didn't mean to insult anybody. Did I insult anybody? No, I'm not insulting. I'm trying to correct people that are losing. I'm trying to ginger you. I'm trying to, scoot away that spirit of losing. I want to command it out of you by, advising you. I'm not trying to use harsh word, please. Are you seeing it? Are you understand what I'm saying? Okay, so you see, I have carefully analyzed this market. Let's go to M15. This is what you should be doing for me. You see, this is how it is done. You see, so here you see this market is going up. It's making higher high. It's going up. You understand what I mean by higher high? I hope you understand what I mean by higher high. You see, this high, this high is higher than this high. This high is higher than this high. It's also making higher low. This high is higher than this low is higher than this low is higher than this low. This low is higher than this low. Now that shows uptrend. Uptrend. When I say high and low, I mean swing. Swing, low, swing, low, swing, low. Baby, follow me. Let's learn. Let's learn together. Swing low, swing high. Baby, follow me, please. Let's learn this and become rich. This is swing high, swing high, swing high. Now, if you compare, this swing high is higher than this one. This one is higher than this. That is uptrend for you. You look for buy signal. See, the lower the time frame, like if you want to get the best, what did I say? Zero loss entry. You need to do that at lower time frame. I didn't put it in the writing, but that is what you're supposed to do in the lower what time frame. Because of time, I will not be writing it out. The more I say something, I think I say something. Yes, you see, the best entry can be finally validated in M1. Are you seeing it here? Yes, I know what I'm saying, and you people should follow it up. Okay. Yes. So even if you see opportunity in the higher time frame, go to lower time frame and get the best swing. You see, this market is going up. It's going up. Now, maybe you missed this opportunity here. You are waiting for it to retest. You draw your trend. Always draw your trend. Draw it. Yes. Assuming you miss here, you are waiting for retest. When it retests, you have confirmed in the month, in the weekly, in the daily that there is uptrend. Don't fear. Just place your order. Just enter immediately or use order placement. Once you see this, it has retested to the trend line and there is no breakout, you enter here, you buy. Put your stop loss below the previous low. You are buying here, you do a previous low, this somewhere here or even here if you have enough equity. So no matter how the market struggle, you will still be in profit. Once your profit has grown, that's your stop loss, you move it somewhere, hedge it so that you hedge out some money, you make some money, even when the market reverses against you. But it's not reversing. If the trend is strong, it's not reversing anything. It's going up, up, up. For this type of uptrend, it's going up. It doesn't reverse. It will only start changing behavior when the bears are ready to change the trend. Yes. The bull can control the market for some time, then the bears will enter and take over. Also, the bears can control the market for some time, and the bulls will enter the market and take over. These are the things you need to know. Because of time, I will not be analyzing Volatility 75. But let me reverse everything I have said. Let me reverse it. Let me revise it. I didn't mean revise. I want to revise it. Like recap. I hope you understand the English. So try to put this thing into practice. Lead the market. Have patience. Trade the trend and market pattern following. Like when a pattern, there are a lot before I finish this video, I will show you what I mean by pattern. There are a lot of patterns. We have rising wedge, we have falling wedge, we have a bullish triangle, bearish bullish rectangle, bearish rectangle, we have flags, we have ascending triangle, descending triangle, and equidistance triangle or a symmetrical triangle. All these things you have to learn that. I'm going to show you some of them in a while before I end this video, so let me continue. You have to enter at zero loss level. Some people will place trade, they will cease loss for some hours, days. That is not trade. If you enter trade, it must be in profit immediately. Then trade your stop, move your stop loss as market make profit for you. Unless the signal is short term, then you can just place a take profit. You understand what I mean? But if it is a long time, just don't place a take profit. Trail your market, trade your trade the stop, add more position as the market makes profit for you. Add more position at right prices, at right retracement prices. Okay, let me show you what I mean about pattern, because I promised to show that. Okay, are you seeing this? These are patterns. You see these are patterns. Let me show you. You see, these are patterns. You need to learn how to trade all these patterns. You go for my synthetic MT5 trading course to learn all these things. You don't say, Daniel say we should follow the trend, and you see a pattern like this is forming. You say Daniel or WINFXTRADING say that. Please, when I use Daniel, my name is Daniel, but I'm just, I don't want you to get confused. I want you to pay attention to my analysis, to my teaching, to my training. See, you will say, WINFXTRADING or Daniel, I have told you should buy during uptrend after retracement, and then a pattern is creating. Don't you know that some pattern will lead to reversal, some pattern will lead to continuation? So when there is a reversal in uptrending market, and you are trading you are buying, you are going to lose. Unless there is a continuation, then you are going to win. So you have to learn all these things. See, double bottom, inverse head and shoulders, falling wedge, continuation pattern. You see, reversal. These are reversal patterns. Double top or double bottom, head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder, falling wedge, rising wedge. These are reversal pattern. Then continuation pattern. We have falling wedge. We have bullish rectangle, bullish pennant, rising wedge, bearish rectangle, bearish pennant, bilateral pattern. We have also bilateral pattern. There are a group of patterns: reversal pattern, continuation patterns, bilateral pattern. That is, the patterns is made up of both continuation and reversal. We have ascending triangle, descending triangle, symmetrical triangle. All you need is to apply patience and lead theory. You need to lead the market, baby. You need to lead the market, baby. You need to lead. Oh my God, I'm going to be ending this video. I'm tired of advising my people, join my VIP, enjoy money. If you join my VIP, you are going to make money. You are going to see blue. You are going to see green. You are going to see huge profit. Enroll for my courses. Change your life overnight. Comment your country. Make sure you start changing your life. Join my Telegram channel. It's free. And then from there, you join VIP. My free Telegram channel, I will upload free signals. You can now join my VIP when you have money. Start changing your life. Bye for now.